Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is Caroline. We are back with a new video. Okay, and this is the hair we are going to be talking about today. This hair is from Alipearl hair. So we're just going to jump right into the details, okay? It comes in this beautiful gold package. And on the top it says Alipearl. Once you open it, this is how the wig comes in. And listen, y'all, straight out of the box, it is ready to wear. Besides the wig, they sent me some goodies: an edge brush, a satin wrap, and a satin bag to keep your wig in. They also sent you Alipearl headband to tie your wig down, an HD wig cap, Alipearl lashes, and our Alipearl carry mirror. Okay, so this is Alipearl 12 inches side part wig. And my cap size is small, so this is small. This is the wig straight out of the box. It looks so pretty. Look at that hairline. The hairline looks amazing. Like, you can see the side part. You can see the details of the curls. Like, it looks so perfect. Alright, right out of the box, this is how it looks. It's so pretty. It looks so amazing. Like the hairline, the details of the hairline is like so perfect. Like, this is a wear and go wig. Okay, alright, so this is how the wig looks right out of the box. You can see the hairline is so perfect. It comes with the side part already. This is how the lace looks. It's a HD lace. The hairline is plucked out. It's ready to put on. The knots comes pre-bleach. Okay, you don't have to bleach the knots. It comes curl for you already. This is how the curls look. Now this inches is 12 inches long. So this is the 12 inches loose body wig. The lace is 13 by 4 frontal, okay? So this is how the inside looks for 13 by 4. And look at how pretty these curls are, okay? Right out of the box. It does come with the elastic band attached to it in the back already, and it comes with combs just to make sure the lace matches my skin tone. So when I put the wig on, everything blends out perfectly. I have this wig cap on. I'm going to change it to the HD wig cap. Alright, so I went ahead and put the foundation in. This is how it looks, okay? Now we're just going to put it on. It does come with the elastic band. It's really secure. I'm going to pour it back. Yo, look at the hairline. Oh my goodness. Wow. Listen, this is so pretty. Look at that. Come through, Alipearl. Look at the lace. Is it even in the middle? No, on the side. Yeah, this is better. Hold on, let me fix this on the side. Look at the side part. Look at how perfect that part is. Like what? This is so cute. Not the phone part, the charging part of that. We gonna cut it off. I don't even want to touch these curls. Like I feel I'm gonna mess up the hairline. I did cut a little bit off. Oh no. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Alright you guys, so you can see how this hairline looks. You really don't need to do anything much with the hairline. So for installing it, you can definitely wear it like this, like a glueless wig, okay, which it is, with the elastic band. But the only thing I would say is the lace is not completely flat around my ear tabs. Like right here is not completely flat. So you can wear it as a glueless wig. You don't need any type of adhesive. If you choose to, you don't need baby hair if you don't want to. It looks perfectly fine and it looks so pretty. Alright, so because the lace is still lifting, I'm going to take a little bit of Got To Be glue, just a tad bit, and put it under the lace by the ear tabs. Look at the melt. Look at the melt. The melt, the melt, the melt. Alright, y'all. So once it's off, this is how it looks. When I tell you, you do not need any baby hair with this. This is just amazing. But we're going to style it with just our ear tabs. Give a little bit of baby hair by the ear side. Alright, y'all, so this is how the hair looks after I lay it down with a little bit of got to be spray in the front. This is how the lace laid, and I gave myself a little bit of baby hair just on the ear tops because, sis, this hairline is so perfect. So now this is it. This is how it looks out of the bag. You can leave it like this if you want to, but I think I want to comb it out. I'm just gonna take the front part and bump it back a little bit, just like this. See that? Look at these curls. Look at how gorgeous this is. Beautiful. Okay. The cut is giving what it needs to give. The way the curl it is giving luxury. That's what I'm going to say about this wig. The hair is extremely soft. You can't go wrong with this wig. It's easy to put on and go. Just pop it on and go. Yeah, but this is Alipearl hair. I absolutely love the texture, the body, the length, the cut. I absolutely love it on this hair. So if you want all the links to this beautiful, gorgeous wig, I will leave all the links in the description box for Alipearl. If you guys want to check them out, get you a short wig for summer. It's summertime, it's springtime, the summer is almost here. Get you a short wig for on the go, or your everyday wig, or your sexy, sassy wig for, you know, that date night or that special occasion, baby shower, whatever you gotta go to, okay? Get you this short wig.